Hi guys, MGamerRad here, and today I'm going to show you some tips to keep your dogs cool when it gets hot and stuff. So you guys can try this one at your home and stuff and see how it works out. So we're going to get a little like sand pool or something looking like this, and you're going to fill it up with water. Your dog might not like water, I'm not sure, but my dog certainly loves it. Yeah. But yeah. So we're just filling this up. And I'll meet you back when it's filled up. So I've just finished filling up my bathtub, and I'm gonna feed that dog. So next. So he's gonna go in the pool. Here you go. You see, he'll like get more energy. He'll start to play. Yeah, come here. Yeah, he'll just do that. And like, sometimes he'll get like really hyper to the net. Go, go. We'll try to do a circle sometimes, but yeah. And he'll sit in it, and it will keep him really active and happy. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, please like, subscribe, and peace.